Hey everybody, we are checking out the PEI Chenyu Guardian. All right. Somebody was just asking me the other day about PEI versus Ultim, if they're the same thing. Yes. Ultim is a brand name of PEI plastic. That's this kind of amber colored plastic that you see a lot of fidgets being made in. Because it's super durable. It doesn't break very easily. And so they use it a lot. Some fidgets I've seen have started using blackened PEI. So this is just the standard color that it's always made in. So additives like color could potentially weaken the chemistry of the piece. Maybe. I assume that's why most places stick with this amber color and have not moved to blackened or whatever else color they come up with. So let's talk about this in comparison to the Zerk Chenyu. First, let's give it a listen. Again, my microphone is currently out of order. So if you really want to hear this thing with a nice Shure MV88 Plus microphone, go ahead and listen to the ASMR video that I did with that and the travel slider from Odysseus. So here we go. Okay. So very lightweight, obviously. I can't say I'm thrilled about the white Teflon ring on the inside. I wish they had made that black or potentially made that out of PEI as well. Oh man, that really would have been, honestly, I might have considered keeping it if that was also PEI. That would be pretty cool. This guy is already sold to somebody. Shout out Jeff. I don't hate him, but I was hoping for a really different experience from my other Chenyu. What I'm getting from this is volume, right? So PEI, because it's a plastic, it really reverberates, clicks and clacks. So I mean, this guy is noisy. You can hear how much softer this guy is. Now, you can always tune this, right? Tuning is important. If I took balls that were smaller in diameter so that they set down a little more into the holes, so that as you push it, it makes less contact with the track. Same here. You could get a softer sound, but that also means that you're going to get a faster motion because there isn't as much pressure or friction. So they're going to slide right on by, and I don't necessarily want that either. Good piece. Awesome. I mean, the fact that the majority of it is actually made out of PEI. I know some people had concerns at first that there was going to be a stainless steel track. for these items, but not the case, which is good. I just prefer, I think, the weight of this guy. And the kind of soft sound. Now, the other thing somebody was talking to me about, dense versus what it's often referred to as standard paragraph, which when you look at this, you see that there's like a ball-shaped hole and then another ball-shaped hole all the way down, right? That's standard paragraph. Dense is going to be something like that, where you can see that there's about a half of a ball all the way down. So the ball does not fully seat into that little track. And so you're getting more clicks up and down. I gotta be honest, I think on the Guardian, the standard paragraph track is better than the dense. That's a really good slider. That one's just so subtle and kind of like musical in a way. This guy sounds a bit like a duck. Jeff, I know giving it to you, it's going to be in the right hands. I'm sure he'll tune it and send me a video and I'll be jealous. I did take some time to put some different sized ball bearings in there, but it just didn't make enough of a difference. Did I give it my all? No. I've put a lot more time into tuning other things than this, but if you're a Chenyu completist, yeah, you may want to pick this up. Definitely worth a try. That Zerk is butter smooth though. That's so good. So that's the Chenyu in standard paragraph, right? I don't have the dense one anymore, but it'd sound a little something like that. All those extra clicks. All right, Chenyu.